All right, so the holidays are around the corner, and what's best to give out? I believe a jacket, because you know it's gonna get cold, chilly. You want to go to the snow, you want to be flexible, move around your hands. This is a perfect jacket. Now, I'm a 2X, all right, and this one fits really good. I'm a big guy, so they make it for all sizes, all right. The battery is included with it. It's also included in a bag here that you can also charge other devices. Now, right now I currently have it on, but you could change the modes to do different modes, all right? You could lower the heat or higher the heat depending on you. You have 3 phases. You got the red is the hottest, blue is medium, and then cool is the white, all right? So right now we have the hottest. Now, one of the great things about it is just not only heating up the front, but also gives you an option for the back. You can feel it in the back, in the most important parts of your body. Once you get that heated up, your whole body feels warm. Now, if you're gonna shovel some snow or maybe go down the slopes, this is a perfect jacket because it's flexible. You could use any other shirt underneath of it. It has zippers. It has 2 pockets. You could also zip them up so you could put your keys, because I've lost the keys in the snow. It's not a very beautiful thing to look for your keys in the snow. So you could zip them up, tie them up, and then it zips all the way to the top. So you got that flexibility. And of course, if you ever want to turn them off, you just hold down the button. 1, 2, 3, it turns off. The next one, 1, 2, 3, and they all turn off. Visible? Yes, you can see the visualization from far away. So it also works as a trace light if they want to look for you at night. And then you have, of course, pocket in here, none in here, just in the inside, or just 1 pocket. But overall, great jacket. All right, so it's a very cold day today. It's rainy, it's muggy. I got my water boots today, got my jacket. Jacket's the most important thing because it's heating up, entire body, very comfortable. I can zip it up easily if I ever get too cold. So that pockets in here. Perfect for any kind of weather. Nice and warm too.